Lon.TV IFA 2019 coverage is being sponsored by Lenovo. See all of their product announcements at lon.tv/Lenovo IFA 2019. So this is something neat we stumbled upon. This is why I like going to these events. This is called the Lumi, and this is a light-up piano keyboard that can help beginners learn how to play the piano because it can actually direct the user, kind of like Guitar Hero or Rock Band, to push the right keys, and you'll get a corresponding color lighting up on the key along with what you'll see on their app. But they also tell me it is compatible with applications that support MIDI keyboards. So if you're using GarageBand or Pro Tools, this might be a really nice portable device that you can manually program to have different lights light up on certain keys. Another thing, we'll see if Jake can get in a little bit closer here. Our camera sometimes has trouble focusing. Is that it has pogo plugs, and I guess you can connect up to, I think, 3 of these together, so you can add more octaves to the mix. So pretty cool device that you can start off with kind of at a beginner's level and then start using it with more professional applications. I thought it was kind of neat and something to look out for. I guess it's going to be out in about 2 months, again, about $250, and I believe it's going to be compatible with the iPad initially, but I would imagine it'll work with other applications too that support MIDI keyboards like this. It's wireless and also connects via Bluetooth. This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold-level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Mike Talbert, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.